If you woke up this morning and power was out, could you feed your family breakfast? What if the power went out for a whole month? What's in your pantry? This creamy, warm cinnamon oatmeal will have your kids licking the bowl. Yes, it's a prepper meal, but perfect for any day breakfast, just like all my recipes straight from the pantry. Now I'm sure you've heard to stock up on beans and rice to feed your family in emergencies. Gross. I'm turning the prepping food community upside down. No more beans and rice. No more buckets of nasty pouch food. All my recipes make your daily life easier and double as emergency food. It's a 2-for-1. And I'm going to help you get your pantry stocked. This smooth, filling, cozy cinnamon oatmeal is my get out of breakfast easy card. But I have to tell you a secret. You can buy the ingredients for this meal and store it away for 30 years in Mylar bags, and it would be just as delicious as the day you bought it. That's why I love pantry meals. They're quick and easy for daily life, but also perfect to have on hand in case of emergencies, power outages, or heaven forbid, another global pandemic when the lines were wrapping all around the grocery store. Let me show you how to make this cozy morning, weekend-worthy, apocalypse-proof cinnamon oatmeal straight from your pantry. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator, the I hate to cook master. And I've hacked the Martha Stewart rig system that has us locked in our kitchen for hours when there is a better way. Everything you need is in your pantry. No more hours of slicing and dicing. I show you how to make delicious quick meals for about $1 or $2. No hours of prep. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and I make sure you never have to worry about meals again for tomorrow or 30 years from now. This bakery smelling, hearty, cozy cinnamon oatmeal is the perfect way to start your day. This is everything you'll need. Quick oats, cinnamon, boiling water, powdered milk, and maple syrup. In your kettle, on your gas stove, boil your water. In a bowl, add 1/2 cup of quick oats. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a tablespoon of powdered milk, and syrup to taste. Pour your boiling water over top. Stir well. The result? Flavorful, delicious, creamy cinnamon oatmeal, perfect, filling, and ready to go, even when the power goes out. You have to try this recipe for an easy, savory breakfast, recipe below. But also, while you're online ordering your groceries at loadedpotato.org, grab some extra quick oats to stash for a rainy day. Stored right, they last for 30 years. If meals have been feeling like a never-ending burden, it's time to ditch the Martha Stewart ideals. Follow me for quick, shelf-stable meals and visit loadedpotato.org to find recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and all my favorite fridge-free recipes. And while you're there, check out our auto grocery calculator to stock your pantry like a boss for tomorrow and for 30 years from now. Just pick your meals and we'll build your Walmart or Amazon cart for you with everything you need, all free. Never worry about another meal again. Loadedpotato.org. Till next time.